going to discuss a debate. Debate topic is, what is better to have, time or money? What is better to have, time or money? And listen guys, this is a debate, not a group discussion. So you got to have a very strong opinion. That means you have to be dominant and not submissive. You have to put your point in a very strong way. So guys, this team is saying that money is more important than time. This team doesn't agree with that. So who would like to go ahead and initiate?
Sir, time.
All right.
So time is more important because if we have money, if we have a lot of time, we can spend time to earn money. But if we have money, so we cannot buy time with spend money. So
Alright, very good point.
So time is very precious thing as compared to
Very good point. If we have money, we cannot buy time with that. But if we have time, we can earn money. Yes. Anything you guys want to say?
I favor money because we have a time, but if as an Indian we have lot of time, but we need more money because we are not established any business and any other job source, because we have a lot of in our country, so we have to need more money because we are facing unemployment every day. But as I am saying, we have lot of time, but we are not invest our time good way because everyone need money. So that's why I'm saying money is more better than time.
Is more important
Yes.
than time. So what he's saying is, as an Indian, he's saying that people have lot of time but they don't have much money. So because of that, they're not able to use their time productive. So if they would have more money, they will be able to utilize their time. What do you guys have to say? All right.
Sir, as he said, being an Indian, we have a lot of time. Sir, what's the basic of this statement? As being an Indian, we have a lot of time. Sir,
yeah, explain what you are
Sir,
trying to say as an Indian. All right, let's hear him out.
Because as I am saying, just a minute, if you are complete your graduation and 12th standard anything, but you don't know what you want to become and what can you do, and we are all day we are just free in all day because we don't know, we are not realize which field is made for me, and that's why we are wasting lot of time. So I am also saying we have lot of time because you also know in our outside lot of people are facing hunger and lot of families and everyone struggle for money. You are if in especially in hilly area, those students complete graduation but they don't have any job resource, and then after they are educated but they don't have any work, any good work according to this
According to their qualification.
and then they are migrate in other states like Delhi is Uttarakhand. It's not only hilly area, it's a migration and full migration state. Everyone wanna go to in Delhi and then they work there.
Their bread and butter from
yes,
there.
sir.
All right. So by that way, he wanted to say that majority of the students after their 12th or the graduation do not have any job. So that's why he was saying that as an Indian, we have a lot of time, a lot of free time. So you made your point very good. You wanted to say something, yeah?
Yeah, you're telling right, but I just want to say that for categorizing, you are categorizing the poor peoples and all. So when we tell about that, if something money is अगर उनके पास जैसे कोई money है, आपको लग रहा है जैसे, ठीक है,
If they have money.
if they have money,
English, yeah.
अभी जैसे normally जैसे if they have money, little bit of money, then they just want more, it's how the beggar will become beggar when you give them bag, then they will become beggar. That's why if you are just giving thoroughly money to that people, then somewhere they just become lazy,
It will increase their greed.
Yeah, their greed, or they just didn't understand how they utilize their time. So it's somewhere tough for their future or as well as growth. Yeah.
All right. So it is a point that if you give somebody some money, they would want for more, and that will increase their greed. So we give alms to the beggar. We give alms to the beggar. So what he's saying is, if you give someone money, their greed will increase. What do you guys have to say about it?
Yes, I'll slightly agree with him, but my point of view is the monies reflect our power and it's reflect our reputation. If suppose if we have a big house in the society, it means we have a good reputation in that society, and if we have money, it means we have power and we can fulfill our dream in very short time. That's all.
All right, so that means money help you reflect your personality and gives you reputation in the society. A big house will get you respect easily, right? With money you can actually ease out your problems. That's fair enough. You can get comfort if you have money. Yes guys, you want to say something, girls?
You are saying that we can achieve everything with money, but we need big house or big dreams. We need to invest our time also. I think we need to invest our time.
Make the ocean.
Yes.
All right, that's a very valid point. You wanted to say something, I guess.
Sir, yes, I just want to say that his point is absolutely right, but his purpose is say that money is more important than time, but it's not true. Because you all, I will tell you with an example. Suppose you are a businessman and you are working around the clock for grow up your business, but you don't have the proper time to spend with your family and to enjoy your life. You don't have time, so you will not be happy. So to be happy, you need time, not money.
All right, very valid point.
So-
Very valid point. That says that you might be a big businessman making a lot of money, but you don't have time, and because of that, you might not be happy. So Mukesh wanted to say something, but I would want the girls to say something as well. Yeah, Kajal, you want to put across your point?
Money is very important for us because we fulfill our needs by money. Educations and मतलब हम अपने हर काम को पूरा करने के लिए मनी का यूज़ करते हैं, सो मनी हमारे बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग.
So that means for everything, even if it education, you need money to get educated. Very good. We need to try and speak in English. Yeah, Mukesh, you
I
want
want
to say something?
I want to add some points on your views. You tell us that if we have a business and we don't have to time spend our family. So you said that our family is not happy with us. So whatever we are earning, it's all about our family now. It's not not only for us. It's totally we are earning whatever we are earning. It's totally for our family. That's
All right, that means he's saying that the family should understand, because whatever I'm doing is for the family only. I'm not doing anything for myself alone. Right? That's a very fair point. Now guys, don't you think that there are people in the world who have achieved a lot without money but with time? Do you guys think there are people in the world who have achieved a lot though they did not have money at this beginning, but they had time? For example, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Dhirubhai Ambani, Ratan Tata, and many more names are there. So there are people who have achieved a lot with less money but by utilizing their skills and time. So guys, my question to you is, if you are given an option that you have 20 years and a lot of money to live, you have 20 years of life and you have lot of money, or you have no money at the beginning but you have 100 years of life, what you want to pick and why?
Definitely second.
Sir, we will choose definitely 100 years life.
All right, so they
Sir,
are
because-
always supporting time, so they are saying,
Sir,
you know,
because-
obviously go for 100 years of life, not
Sir-
for 20 years of life and being very rich.
Sir,
What do you guys?
Sir, if we choose 100 years life, we can spend our time in work and and we can invest our time to earn money, and we can survive a good life by using our time.
Very good. We can live a good life, we can live a luxurious life if we are able to utilize our skills if in the right direction, if we have a lot of time. Yes, Vipin, you want to say something?
Yeah, as you say, you are choosing time, but I want to choose money only 25 year, because you know
28, okay, around 28. Okay.
okay, anything, whatever. So because you know with money I can do everything for poor people and NGOs and anything. It doesn't matter what how long you live, but what you long and what you do, it's more matter. So in my opinion, age is big, is nothing. If you are doing something, so you have to money, and you have to do something extra effort for this. And thank you.
I also add some point on my friend's views. My views are, if we choose that 20 years age and with lot of money, it means in 20 years we will enjoy a lot. If we suppose if we have normal life, in childhood we study, and in young age we earn, and in after the young age we become old. So what do we have time to enjoy our life? We don't have proper time to enjoy our life. If we choose that option, 20 years with money, that means we will enjoy our life a lot. That's all.
All right, so guys, somewhere we can say that, you know, time is very, very important. We cannot deny that fact. We need time, guys. But without time, we might not be able to utilize our time. Without money, we might not be able to utilize our time in a productive way. So both the things are very important. But if we end up our time without doing anything for useless things, obviously we will not achieve anything. But if we are utilizing our time and we utilizing our money, we can achieve a lot. So guys, this is a never ending discussion, but you guys did pretty well. A clap for yourself. All right.